Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment saying thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that'll take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a cool tabletop fire pit by a company called YEFU. This is the box it comes in once you order it. Once you open it up, you are of course going to get a little bag here that is perfect for travel. So if you want to set this up on your table outside, or if you want to bring it with you when you're going camping, it is designed to be portable, which is great. And so they include a bag so that way you can have everything nice and secure. Now this is a little fireproof kind of blanket. You're going to set this down on whatever surface you are setting this up, because it does get obviously nice and hot. Then you are going to get the little fire pit itself, which we will go over here in detail very, very shortly. In addition to that, you're going to get a little card that tells you how to operate it. It's pretty self-explanatory. And then you're going to get these two little cute kind of roaster thing. So if you want to cook a hot dog or make s'mores or something like that, you can utilize these over the fire pit. But let's go over the fire pit itself. So as you can see, it is made out of stainless steel, and it is designed to kind of have more of a smokeless design. So how it works, it has this adjustable door down here at the bottom. This is going to allow you to adjust the draft. Then there is these little holes along the interior there, and those are going to let the air kind of flow through, and that's going to allow the oxygen to get into the flames, and it's going to keep it actually running really nice, and then it's going to limit the smoke because it's feeding it really, really, really well. Now, one thing to keep in mind is all made out of stainless steel, so keep it away from children when you are utilizing it, and do not touch it because you will burn yourself. It will get nice and hot. As far as the feet here on the bottom, it has three nice feet forming a nice little triangle here, so that makes it nice and sturdy, not going to tip over or anything like that. To give you an idea of the size, it is approximately 9 inches tall, and it is about 7 inches in diameter. According to the website, it weighs about 2.9 pounds. So once again, really easy to carry around, especially if you are going camping. Now, if you are utilizing this and you're just kind of utilizing it for heat, it's going to give a nice heat within around a 2-foot radius. As far as like if you're sitting around kind of like a campfire aspect of it. Another great thing is it is easy to clean. So all the ashes are going to fall through the holes there on the bottom so it doesn't smother the fire. And then here you have this little spot. You can simply dump it out, pour water through this to flush out the rest of the ashes. And then you can utilize this fire pit for whether you are doing little pieces of wood, twigs, if you're using kind of wood pellets, if you're using little fire starters. You are very versatile on what you put in here. Obviously, it has to be somewhat small. You can't throw a big log in here because that won't fit. But overall, if you are looking for a great little fire pit for either to take out on camping or have in your backyard, sitting on your table, I think this one is totally worth checking out. I really like it. It's compact, it's portable, and it is super easy to use. And of course, it doesn't throw out a lot of smoke, which is really, really, really nice. And for all those reasons, I do highly recommend it. If there's something that I didn't cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I typically respond to those, and that is it until the next video. You guys, take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.